2024, a new regulation has been put in place. So this is, I think, a success which we collaborated with the ministry. And
in a recent interview, Dr. Getachew.T, a project leader focused on road safety, outlined the comprehensive measures being implemented to reduce traffic accidents in our communities. He emphasized that the project is designed to not only address immediate concerns, but also to foster the long-term behavioral changes among drivers and pedestrians. Dr. Getachew highlighted the importance of community involvement, stating that collaboration with local organizations and residents is crucial for the project's success. Workshops and demonstrations are being organized to engage the public, raise an awareness about road safety.
The stakeholders' engagement is so much fragmented.
While the project is making strides, Dr. Getachew acknowledged the ongoing challenges, including limited funding and infrastructural issues. He remains hopeful that with continued support, significant improvements can be made.